Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Hey everyone, it's Fox from Model Making Guru here. Hello, welcome. It has been a week. It is Saturday, the 1st of September. It's 33 minutes past 1 o'clock, and it is time to draw the two, count them, 1, 2, 2. You can't see my fingers, I don't know why I'm doing that. Idiot. It's the two winners of the C1 Metalizer Buffing Powder Pack giveaways. Now, I have to tell you, the response to this giveaway I put up last weekend was nuts. I've given away master grade stuff. I've given away entire Warhammer kits like the Valkyrie and that big spaceship thing. I've given away some insane stuff over the years, and none of it has had the response that this stuff got. 142 comments for the C1 buffing powder. I asked you to put down a fact about shiny things, or just a comment. I had lots and lots of lovely comments. Some facts, some total made up nonsense. And you know what? Total made up nonsense, the best kind of nonsense. So yeah, 142 comments. So thank you to everyone that put a comment down and took part. Insane response. Here's hoping that's the kind of response we get for stuff in the future. But yes, we're going to pull some winners. So what we're going to do is going to be the usual shenanigans. I've got the YouTube random comment picker website that randomly picks a comment from YouTube randomly. That's how it works. It picks a random comment from a random YouTube video, except it's not a random YouTube video. Hang on, need more coffee. Talking rubbish. It's better. Right. Coffee down. Let's get the URL copied. Copy. And we're going to basically paste it into the random comment picker. Paste. And we're going to load the comments in. Now, if you remember, I've got two of these to give away. So I'm going to pull a winner twice. And all you need to do if you are the winner is just drop me an email. Now, here we go. Are we ready to pull the two winners for the C1 Metalizer pack? Two of them, one each. Are we ready? 142 comments, you crazy fools. Ready? In 3, in 2, in 1. Action kapow! Alikar Shadu. So I asked my wife for a fun fact about shiny objects. The response was, they are shiny. Yes, they are, indeed. Well done. Comment number 83, Alikar Shadu. So well done. You've won yourself a pack of the C1 Metalizer powder. I'm trying to think now how the hell I'm going to put this on the customs forms, wherever I'm sending these. So well done, Alikar. You've won. And we're going to pull the second winner. And the second winner shall be. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Rusting Customs Models. Very few chrome paints look like chrome. That is the truth. Very few do, because they don't reflect to scale. There you go. So, Rusting Customs and Alikar, well done to both of you two. All I need you to do is send me an email to the address that's at the bottom of the screen now. It's fox@modelmakingguru.com. Yes, I've tweaked my email address a bit. Finally tried to sort it out. So it's actually properly fox@modelmakingguru.com now. I'm not using the Gmail address anymore. So fox@modelmakingguru.com. Send me an email with your name. Obviously I've got your name, but give me your full name, because it might not be the name you use on YouTube. I need your name, your address, and just in case I need it, if you're outside the UK, your phone number. So name, address, and a contact phone number. And that's just so the delivery guy can call you if he can't get access to your premises. So name, address, contact number, and tell me that you won the C1 Metalizer, and I will send you one of those. So that's it. It was only a really quick video. A little update for you, as I tend to do at the end of these things. Don't forget, tomorrow is Warhammer Sunday. 3 PM BST, when we'll find out who won the shiny blue book, and also what the next giveaway prize is. Remember, I've got a load of stuff this week to add to the giveaway list. And we're working on my Warhammer army a bit more. We will be back on Monday with the eModels live stream, so eModels 9 PM BST on the eModels YouTube channel. Me, Chris, and maybe Ted, we'll see. Don't know yet. But definitely me and Chris will be there for the eModels show. And I have started on the Strike Rouge Oatori, the Master Grade Strike Rouge Oatori. and work is underway with the gluing and the painting and stuff. So that's being filmed, so stay tuned for video for that soon. I was going to do it as a Patreon exclusive series, but there's been such a lack of content from me over the last few months because of the hot weather and everything else, that I thought, nah, let's just make it for everybody, because you've had a bit of a starvation on the content, so we'll get that sorted out. So that should be up hopefully in the next few days. We'll have the first proper video in that build series. But that's going to do us. So you two that won, well done, congratulations. Do send me an email with your name, address and phone number, and I shall see you all very soon. So take care of yourselves, go make something awesome, go be awesome, and until next time, adios. I'm doing it again. I'm waving. Every time I do one of these videos, I wave when I say adios amoebas. It's like a reflex. Oh, you're an idiot, Fox. You're an idiot. Adios amoebas.